The NPV formula, also stands for net present value, will give you the value of a given set of cash flows over a period. So if I can explain with an example, if you made an investment where you will receive 1,000 Rand over the next 5 years, every single month, then if I were to sell that specific investment or contract, then what can I sell it at today? Because we need to take into consideration interest rates. If I take 1,000 now and I go put it in the bank, over the next 5 years, I'm gonna return something on it. So what's the difference? I mean, if I sell this today, what will be the value of it? So it's a very simplistic formula to use. I obviously need an interest rate. So let's make my interest rate 10%. And then I need cash flows. So I'm just gonna do up until year 13. And I'm gonna say I'm gonna have 1,000 every single period. So if I were to sell these cash flows, what will be the value? Now take into consideration, in year 1, I'm going to deposit 1,000. Then this 1,000 is going to grow by 10% every year. So next year this 1,000 is going to be worth 1,100. Then I'm adding another 100,000. And then this will grow by 10%. So every single period this will grow. So what will be my value at the end? So it's a very easy calculation to do it. So we're saying my net present value is 10%. And we can say, either, let's say it's per year, and the values we're looking at is this. So if I were to sell this cash flows now, I could get 7,103 for it. Because this is exactly the same as receiving 13,000 over the next 13 years. Let's test this with a future value formula. So I'm saying 10%. What's my period? 13. What's my payment? 1,000. So it's 24,000. Let's just test the calculation. So if I were to make this every single month, I would get 24,000 at the end. So 13,000. So that's my future value for this. What's my present value for this? So let's do a present value one. So I'm saying my rate is 10%. It's not divided by 12. My end period is 13. My payment is 1,000. So it's exactly the same as the top one. So there's a few ways to test this, but it will give you the exact value of today.